truck in this little dip here. Just going over to the blind right here just so deer crossing over here don't see my truck. Final evening. I think we're gonna make this a doe hunt. Let's see what happens. I still use a muzzleloader. That's what I've always used. And that's the first time I've had a fault. And of course it's on camera. They're a lot more work. You only get one shot. And stuff like that can happen. But you can have a faulty primer on a 350 Legend. It's probably really rare, but that's a first for me. And I went ahead and changed the primer, obviously, and then I put new powder in too, just in case. But I'm guessing just a faulty primer. Clean my plug a little bit. Let's try again. All right. We've had, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches of snow, but then we've had thawing effect and then freezing at night, thawing effect and freezing at night, and it's just made everything slick. So just got back from ran to the vet's office and got some meds here for one of the cows out here that's got a split hoof, freezing hoof, and I bring up the slick ground because we got a bull in there, and him riding some of these bulls out here doesn't help, or cows out here doesn't help. But so I'm gonna try to give her these shots. One's for the inflammation and one's Teravet, so antibiotic. Need to put out some hay too. Check the water. See if I can do that. Yeah, you can see got a split hoof. A lot of pain there. She actually looks a little worse today. Well, that didn't work. Make a corral. So this is my corral down here. Obviously, I need to build another one down there where I winter them, so I could run her in that head chute. And but to get down here, I either gotta get a trailer, which I'd still need panels down there to get her loaded on a trailer, or hike her all the way around this 5-acre pond, around the whole 60, you know, this piece that's all pasture, 60 acres. That's for a limping cow. Got to cross a creek. That's just way too far. So this is where I winter them. These are old hutches. They obviously serve the purpose as a shelter, but then also a windbreak. So I got a south, north, west, all covered. And if they get in there, you know, deep enough, they can, southeast wind, they can still get out of driveways. Meat's in a corner. I'm gonna run her in here, close this panel up, give my shots I need to give, let her out. Oh, you're a good girl. Oops. Try not to turn your back to a bull, but I gotta get these out of my pocket before I bugger them up. There we go. Where is she? Let's see. I can't get her. Oh, she's in there. Alright. Got her out. Stay. Alright. Oh, we got her. Sorry, girl. Well, that was excessive. Like I said, I didn't think that would go well. Ah, you dummy. This is alright, what we're gonna do, take this panel off. Okay, there's that one. Like on the pants. Well, I didn't get it. Gosh darn. Oh. Well, that made things interesting. I was trying to record this on my phone, or on my GoPro, but GoPro keeps dying like 40%. I was following that cow over there, and she's fine. I mean, she didn't get hurt from that disaster. But so she's doing good. But I already know, you know, I spent the last 7 years no debt building up this herd, making sure they have proper nutrition, making sure they're out of the wind, they got bedding in the winter, green grass in the summer, got their shots, checking for pink eye, you know, worrying about them all the time. But one of the big pieces of cattle care is handling facilities. And with building a house next year and taking care of 1,000 acres and this property and all these cattle, I have to find time to build a corral where I winter them here in this corner pasture. I already got one down there. Heavy duty gates, keep me safe, keep them safe. So I already know it. It's on the long list, but it's on the short list now. I mean, I can't really drive posts with the frozen ground, but it's got to be done. So anyways, but we'll put up some hay, won't we?